Happykids TV.
Hey guys, it's Maria, and today on Just a Play-Dough, I'm going to be showing you how to make a corporate woman. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, and blue Play-Doh. You also need a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife, but if you don't have either of those, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but make sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. To start by making our corporate doll, we are going to take our white Play-Doh and put it on the doll's feet so she can stand up all by herself. Great! Now we're going to roll out some black Play-Doh to use as her skirt. Once you are done rolling out the black Play-Doh, cut it into a rectangle. Now we are just going to put it on her waist. Oops, that one was too big. We are just going to cut it down just a little bit so it can fit her a lot better. Perfect! Now onto the shirt. We are going to use our blue Play-Doh to make this shirt, but you can use any other color that you want. Once you're done rolling out the Play-Doh, cut it into a rectangle as well. Wrap the top around her. Next, we are going to be making some sleeves so she doesn't get too cold in the office. All you have to do is roll out the same color that you used for the shirt and flatten it out with your hand. Measure it on her arm, then cut off one of the ends so it's the perfect length. Just wrap it around her arm and there you have a sleeve. Just repeat the process with the other arm. Now we just need to make a collar for her shirt. Remember, she's a corporate woman. How I like to make my collars is flatten out a piece of white Play-Doh and cut it into the shape of a triangle. One is done. Now on to the next. Cute! The last thing to tie off her shirt are some cute little buttons. All I want to do is roll small little balls of white and place them down her shirt. Perfect! Now every corporate woman needs a briefcase, right? To make a briefcase, just roll out a thin layer of black Play-Doh and cut it into a square. Next, roll out a small rope using the Play-Doh and attach it to the briefcase. There you have it, the perfect corporate woman. Here's our corporate woman. Wow, she looks like she's ready to go to work. Where do you think she's going to work at? I think she's going to work in New York City. Come back to see what I'm creating next time on Just a Play-Dough.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.